Hi guys, this is Chris FPV here, and I am back today with another FPV video. And today we'll be taking a look at this. I think it's a motor, and if it is, then it should be DYS Samguk Wei. So let's open it and see what we've got inside there. So it comes in protected in a foam thing right here. So let's cut the tape open. So here we go. Here we have DYS Samguk in hand, the word I had. What do they mean with that? Okay, so there we go. Samguk series motor. Yeah, so I think it is built and is based on Chinese histories and stuff. So let's open it and let's see. So first of all, this is what you get given in the box. So you get like a paper about histories and stuff. So where the shoe, the way, and the wool comes from. So you can read it yourself. And you also get a bag of screws. So here you get a propeller nut and 5 screws and 2 additional C-clips. That is really good, cause maybe you mess up once with your motor and you then have additional C-clips for it. And at last you get given the motor right here. So it's just in this bag. Here is it, and so first of all, by touching it, it feels really good. This motor can take 3 to 4S, but I think you can also try 5S. But if you want to do it, just try 5S, but just hover and feel whether the motors are hot or not. If the motors are hot, I wouldn't recommend you to fly 5S with it. The shaft is M5 shaft, and it has a hole in it, and it's made out of steel, I think. So this is the Samguk series Wei, and it is 2600 kV. They also have 2300 kV, but I went with a 2600 kV because I don't know, I think I'm going to use it for maybe racing and stuff. So yeah, all the motors are counterclockwise thread. The fact that it's only counterclockwise thread is a bit disappointing, but I think I can live with that. The dimension of the motor is 27.7 millimeters and the height is 32.2 millimeters, and it weighs about 34 grams. The gap between, like, by the way, the motor is bottom naked motor. This is my first time using a bottom naked motor. I think the wire is made out of silicone, quite long, so those of you who use 4-in-1 ESC, this is going to be enough. The gap between the motor, like between the magnet right here, is really small, so that is positive to get something like that. And yeah, what I think about is, like, I'm going to mount it, so I don't have a motor tester right here, so I'm going to mount it on my quadcopter right here. By the way, I'm using AOK Fly RV 2650 kV, and like in the beginning when I built this quad, I got these motors from Chinese warehouse from Bangkok, and later when I was learning to fly acro and stuff, I crashed a lot, and I ordered motors from US warehouse, the same motors. So when the motors came, like the gaps between the magnets and the windings were so big than normal. But some people say, like, when you order it from US warehouse, I mean the AOK motors, you get fake one, and when you order it from like normal Chinese warehouse, you get like the original motors. So guys, that was my video for today. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching me. Thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, do whatever you can, and see you later.